Welcome to Airstream Wheeler. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more Airstream content. We have a problem on Dreamboat where the awning arm no longer slides to extend like it should. I've started by carefully drilling the heads off these rivets.
Alright, so just gonna wiggle that loose. If I can give you any advice on rivets, rivet repairs aren't generally very hard, but always go a size smaller than you think you need if you don't know what size drill bit to use.
The new rivet will need to fit tightly, so once you go too big, it's over.
I was hoping for the best with this lever lock, but there's a piece that's broken inside. I was hoping maybe a spring could be popped back into place, but it's broken. I found that I can probably order another one for 20 bucks, so that's the good news.
This is a spring punch. It's an inexpensive tool, but very useful for rivet repair. It means less drilling, so less chance of making the hole too big. Just clearing the old rivets out of the holes to make it ready so that the new piece can be installed as soon as it arrives.
My awning part has arrived from Amazon. It's an older Dometic awning, but these parts are still available if you have anything on your awning that you need to repair. It wasn't very expensive and just attaches with 2 rivets, so I should have it right back together quickly. I'm going to wiggle it into place and start with the bottom rivet. And now for the top rivet. One more pull should get it. Almost an easy repair, except this mandrel has broken and I'm gonna have to cut it short. So unfortunately the tool I want to use to cut this short won't fit in here far enough in any configuration. Not as pretty as I'd like, but it's done.